Hi, welcome to my shop again. Let's do a little Tuesday tips here on how I'm going to handle putting a really out of balance piece on the lathe on the balance point. When the piece of wood is a burl or other natural edges, there's a challenge to getting it on the balance point. So let me show you how I do it. Okay, as you remember in almost all of the 100 or so videos that I've created, I always start between centers and I always start on the balance point. Okay, but now I've got a really odd shaped burl here. I've chainsawed the back off a bit, but I've got a natural edge here that's all kind of wacky. Okay, when you have a rough surface like this, it's harder to start on the balance point because the drive teeth will catch on an uneven surface, and then you can't balance it as well. Okay, so what I usually use is the robust drive center, and the point is adjustable with a set screw so that you can hold it out a little bit, but sometimes the drive area will hit against the rough surface. Even if you're using a regular conventional drive center, I have the pin out proud again to start between centers on my balance point. I need to be just riding on the pin and not let the drive hit, so I extend it out a little bit. If you don't have one of these that can extend out like that, but you might have an old live center. See what I'm doing here? This is the headstock end, and I've got a live center on here, and the tailstock's got a live center. Now I can put it on the balance point, and both will be freewheeling so that I can get the speed of the lathe up and get all of this wacky stuff out of the way real easy and quick. Okay, now I've got my balance point on a really rough surface because I'm using a live center. Wherever I set it, it stays, but I don't have any drive teeth or anything dragging it so that I can get perfectly on my balance point.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell on the way out.